the topic before us is don't get lost in the list, mastering commas in a series. Commas are essential for creating a clear and concise list in sentences. Now, in this course, we will focus on using commas effectively in a series so that our writing is clear and free of confusion, so that our readers may understand our message properly. Commas in a series are used to separate items in a list of 3 or more items. What it means? It means that we are writing a sentence, and in the sentence there are 3 or more items. It may be fruits or vegetables or some other grocery items, but these items must be 3 or more. Then we use commas so that there is clear distinction between each item or each element. Now we understand what we have said with the help of an example. I bought apples, oranges and bananas at the market. Now here you will see apples, after oranges, we have used commas. So these are commas in a series. These are the items apples, oranges and bananas, and this is the list as a whole. So here, to make the sentence clearer and free of confusion and properly readable, we are making use of commas in a series. The Oxford comma is also known as serial comma. When we are discussing commas in a series, it is worthwhile for us to also study what is the meaning of Oxford comma. It is the comma. Here we are talking about Oxford comma. Oxford comma is the comma which is placed immediately before the conjunction like and, or in a list of 3 or more items. Using the Oxford comma can help us clarify the meaning and prevent ambiguity. Ambiguity means confusion. I had Now we understand the usage of Oxford comma with the help of example. I had eggs, toast and orange juice for breakfast. So here you can see that here after eggs it is a comma and after toast it is a comma. So here this comma which is written after toast, it is the Oxford comma, because this comma has been placed immediately before the conjunction and. This comma is before the conjunction